So this one is fully charged. So that is what I usually do in the morning. Pagising ko sa morning, nag-charge sa kulok. Oh, there. You can see my setup here. I have a microphone here. I have the ano. So each day, ina-charge natin yung mga speakers, reliable light, mga yan. I do that every day. So patayin natin ito kasi full na siya. Ito Yan, ito. This one is, lampshade. Lampshade rechargeable. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. Oh. So, each night, ginagamit ko to. So,